Hi everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here with the ARES 12125 Master Slide Hammer Puller Set. This 10-way slide hammer is a comprehensive kit for pulling gears, seals, and bearings, front wheel drive and rear wheel drive hub removal, and removing dents with bodywork and more. In this video we'll give a brief overview of this tool set, what's included, and how to use it. We'll also demonstrate some in-use cases. If you find this video helpful, please let us know with a like down below and a subscribe for more videos like this. So let's get into it. This is the 10-way slide hammer puller set that comes with 10 different configurations for different applications. This is the slide hammer on the slide bar. This is a 5-pound weight which provides tremendous amount of shock force to pull out stuck bearing gears or hubs or whatever you're working on. The force is generated by quickly sliding the hammer back, which impacts the beveled stopper on the slide bar. The stud end is a 5/8 by 18 connection threads, which fits most standard attachments. These are the 10 configurations: deep axle and hub puller, shallow axle and hub puller, internal 3-jaw puller, external 3-jaw puller, internal 2-jaw puller, external 2-jaw puller, puller hook, locking pliers adapter, dent puller, axle bearing pullers. Everything is constructed of strong cast iron and carbon steel and finished with corrosion resistant coatings, all neatly packed into this durable storage case. We have here the hub puller. We're going to demonstrate setting up to pull a front hub. I won't be taking anything off, but I'll set up to show how it works. First, remove the wheel. Remove the brake caliper and bracket and remove the rotor. You'll remove your axle nut and make sure that your drive shaft is loose in the hub. Take the slide hammer, thread it into the hub puller. Next, take the backup nut and attach it to the slide rod on the other side of the hub puller, making sure it's snug. Next, take the hub puller, attach to the lug nut studs with the lug nuts. The slide hammer is ready. Now take the hammer and quickly slide it back against the stopper. This hammering force pulls off the hub. Install your slide hammer lock nut first. Install your gear puller lock nut. The cone faces towards the jaws. Attach the 3 jaws on the 3-jaw puller yoke using the 3 gear puller bolts. Screw the 3-jaw puller onto the stud end of the slide hammer. We set the harmonic balancer up on this rig for demonstration purposes only. Attach the 3-jaw puller onto the correct place on the harmonic balancer. Adjust and tighten by turning the gear puller lock nut and slide hammer lock nut. Pull slide hammer back and remove harmonic balancer. So you use your 2-jaw yoke and attach the 2 jaws facing outward. Adjust and tighten so the jaws are hooked to the inside of the bearing race, and bring your slide hammer back and pull out the bearing race. So on your locking plier adapter, which will fit basically just about all of your locking pliers out there, you remove the adjustment bolt from your locking pliers. You screw the locking plier adapter into the locking pliers and attach the locking plier adapter and the lock nut backing it up on the stud end of the slide hammer. Take the bolt post cap nut and insert the dent puller screw. Install the assembly onto the slide hammer with the locking nut. Pre-drill the affected area, thread the screw into the hole, and use the slide hammer to pull the dent out. Well, there you have it, folks, the ARES 12125 slide hammer kit. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. As always, thanks for watching and be safe out there.